सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. Chapter 17, verse number 21. यत्तु प्रत्युपकारार्थम् फलमुद्दिश्य वा पुनः दीयते च परिक्लिष्टम् तद्दानं राजसंस्मृतम्. While talking about three types of Shraddha, Lord Krishna enumerating Yajna, Dana, Tapaha, Karma. That means Yajna Karma, Dana Karma, Tapah Karma. Karma means an activity or a ritual. That Shraddha, faith in all these Yajna, Dana and Tapas, that Shraddha is three types of Shraddha based on one's own guna. If a person is sattvic, that person's yajna, any action, ritual, is a sattvic yajna. If person's nature is rajasic nature, that yajna is called rajasika yajnam. If his swabhava is tamasic, suppose, whatever he does, all yajnas come under tamasika yajna. So tamasika shraddha, that shraddha which is backed by his rajoguna, tamoguna or sattvaguna predominantly. Similarly, Dhanam also. Tapas also Vesa, Sattvika Tapas, Rajasika Tapas and Tamasika Tapas. Three types of Tapas. Austerity. The final topic we are saying is Dhanam, charity. Offering. Whenever you offer to the Lord or to anyone, that Dhanam also, there is a Shraddha behind that. Behind every charity, there is Shraddha. That Shraddha, how you know that Shraddha, what Shraddha is having behind, there are three types again, based on guna. If a person give Dhanam without expecting any result, and giving in right time to a right person, that Dhanam is called Sattvika Dhanam. That Dhanam is called Sattvika Dhanam. In a right place, to a right person, that means deserved person, and the right manner you have to give, appropriate manner you have to give. Without expecting in return anything, name or fame. That is called Sattvika Dhanam. But what is Rajasika Dhanam? Lord Krishna pointing out here in this 21st shloka, Yat prati upakarartham phalamuddishya punaha diyate. Diyate means that Dhanam which he is offering. With what intention? Prati upakarartham. For the sake of something in return. That means this what I am giving is an investment. When we invest something, you expect something in return. Like finance companies. So you invest this much, interest will come, this much benefit will come. That is called investment. A person with Rajasika Shraddha, if he gives a Dhanam, It is a type of investment, not dhanam. It's not a dhanam. That's what he says. Prati upakarartham. Prati means in return. Upakaram means benefit, phalam. For that sake, artha means for that sake. For the sake of benefit in return. That is called investment and artha. If that motive is there, attitude is there, and giving dhanam to others, that dhanam is rajasika dhanam. Phalam uddishya. Expecting some result in return. Pariklishtam diyate. Not only that, giving reluctantly. Reluctantly means, pariklishtam means with pain. With pain means, I am giving this much dhanam. Am I going to get in return much more than this? This is called, there is a pain involved while giving. While giving, he gives. He gives. But while giving, there is a pain involved. And hesitating in matter. Kai munna varadu. Koncham munnadi povum, koncham pinnadi varum. Ivala kodukanuma vendama anna. There is a pariklishtam annar. There is a pain involved. And giving not wholeheartedly, reluctantly. Kodukanuma vendama, kodukanuma, ivala kodukanuma vendama. Adi. இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு சந்திக்தாவஸ்தை இருக்கும் மனசுக்குள்ள. There is an hesitation to give also. Adha bheda samyuktam. He gives like that. That dhanam is called rajasam smritam. That dhanam is called rajasa dhanam. It is called rajasa dhanam. Up to here we saw in the last class. Next shloka is going to talk about tamasika dhanam. What is tamasika dhanam? Dhanam is very, very important. Adilo satvika dhanam, rajasa dhanam, tamasa dhanam. Rajasa dhanam is inferior compared to satvika dhanam. What to talk of tamasika dhanam? But give something or other. Dhanam pannu. Even though it is tamasika dhanam, doesn't matter. No? Instead of no dhanam, some dhanam is good. No? That's why Shastra encourage paravala give. No? So tamasika dhanam is in this manner. We'll read that shloka. Adesha kale yaddanam apatrebhyascha diyate asatkrtamabhajnatam tattamasamudahrutam. Yat adeshakale diyate tat dhanam tamasam udahrutam. First point of this tamasa dhanam. What is the first point? Adesha kale yat diyate. That which is given at the wrong time. Adesha kalena. There is no right time for dhanam. Any time is right time only. Then why here adesha kalena? Adesh kala means an appropriate place in artha actually. Here, adesha kala means in a wrong place and time. Kala means a time. Desha means a place. At the wrong place and the wrong time. Wrong time means here not Rahu Kalam Yamagandam. When that person need, that is the right time. Akala dhanam anartham, when the person, the need is over, suppose you give, in summer if you give that rug or shawl, in winter you have to give. The kala is very important, what you are giving must be useful. So in summer you are not supposed to give the shawl dhanam, appada cheaper kadikam. Okay, winter it is costly. There are people, they buy when that season comes, they buy and keep it. But they forget to give, that also happens. Akalamanna, that kala means not right time or wrong time. When he needs, that time only we have to give. Once the time is over, the need is over, if you give also there is no use. Therefore, if anybody gives that dhanam, when it is not necessary for him, at that time it is called akala dhanam. Adesha. Adesha means not an appropriate place. There is no shaucham at all. No? A cleanly place he has to give. A pilgrimage center he has to give. An occasion, a good auspicious day occasion at that place, auspicious place also you have to see. அசௌச்சமான இருக்கிற பிளேஸில் தானம் பண்ணக்கூடாது, சுத்தமாக இருக்கிற பிளேஸில் தானம் பண்ணணும்னு ஒரு நியமம் சாஸ்திரம்ல. அதேஷ காலே எத் தானம் தத்து தானம் தாமசம். ஸோ தட் தானம் இஸ் கால்டு தாமச தானம். Number 2, what is another point in this tamasa danam? Apatrebhyascha diyate, who is not deserved. Apatrebhya means who is not deserved for that dhanam. A thief is not deserved for that dhanam. A gambler is not deserved for a dhanam. A drunkard is not deserved for a dhanam. Apatrebhya, all these people we should not give. Suppose you give those people who are in a wrong way of life, for them if you give, again they will ask. And if you go on giving first time, second time, third time, if you say fourth time no, they will abuse you. They will criticize you. So that type of people we should not give dhanam. That is called apatra dhanam. Patra nerinji dhanam pannanam enna artham? See the person who is really deserved. Then only your dhanam will be valuable and it has got efficacy. Otherwise, that dhanam, you are spoiling that person also by giving to that person dhanam. That is called tamasa dhanam. Apatrebhya means uncultured, hypocrite people you should not give. Undeserved people you should not give dana. If anybody gives to such people, that dhanam is tamasa dhanam. What is the third point? Asatkritam yatu diyate tad dhanam tamasam udahritam. Asatkritam means priyavachana rahitam, without saying any few sweet words. While giving dhanam, some people, they are not able to talk pleasantly, and they feel proud. I am giving this much money to this person. Not talking pleasantly, asatkritam, without any honoring, with disrespect. If you give dhanam without respect, if you give dhanam, that is asatkritam dhanam. That means pada prakshalanam. Suppose some people, they do not know how to offer. When they are giving something, first you have to honor the person, respect the person. In some places, those come from the abroad and all, they don't have this type of, even Indians who are all staying there, they don't know the formalities of something. When you are giving, you have to do pada prakshalanam, garlanding, or vastram, or something to respect, call people, and in front of them offering, like that, with respect you have to give. Some people, they do dhanam without pada prakshalanam, without mala, without anything. A Mahatma who deserved for that, because I am giving, I am having a big company, I am a rich person, let me give the big check. And just like that, he write the check and give. Just like flying, a check. Sometimes checks fly, They like flying check, they give that. Even they don't do namaskara also. Because I am a very rich person giving check, he is a beggar. That Mahatma doesn't need actually. Okay. So without respect is giving, carelessly giving. This type of dhanam is tamasa dhanam. With respect, when they are sitting, we have to offer. When they are standing, you give even 1 lakh rupees check without respect. No? That dhanam is not sattvika dhanam, it is tamasika dhanam. Even you give 10 rupees also, asking them to sit and talking a few sweet words and respecting that person, and if you offer, that is much more valuable. So your attitude is very important behind than before you are offering. That attitude is the matter. How much you are giving doesn't matter. No? So that richness makes the person to cover their eyes. The respect, honoring, and all, it will cover their eyes. That is not a dhanam. There is no samskara. Samskara is not there in that person, but money is there. So therefore, we should not give like that any time to offer any person, anywhere, to any trust, that our dhanam should be very, very, very valuable. No? It must have deserved that status, a valuable status. It should not be like tamasika dhanam, asatkritam dhanam. No, without any religious protocol anartham. Without any religious protocol. Suppose a pandita is there, a scholar is there. How you should give dhanam to him? No, there is a protocol. To such a pandita, you have to say abhivadanam, and you have to introduce yourself. You have to do sashtanga namaskara. In front of pandita, you have to give dhanam in a different manner. In front of sannyasi, you have to give in a different manner. In front of another orphanage or any other service center is there, you have to give in another manner. There is a protocol. இதெல்லாம் தெரியணும். இதெல்லாம் தெரியணும்னா கொஞ்சம் அந்த சம்ஸ்கார கல்ச்சரில் இருக்கணும். அந்த விருத்த வியவஹார, நம்ம எல்லர்ஸ் how they are giving, how they are practicing, that and all we should know. பப்ளிக்கில் போய் இது நல்லா பார்த்தா தானே தெரியும். எப்போவுமே சீரியல் முன்னாடி, கிரிக்கெட் மேட்ச் முன்னாடி உட்கார்ந்து இதெல்லாம் தெரியவே தெரியாது இல்லையா? ஸோ not only that, avagnatam, without contempt. With contempt means that person should not feel shame. When I am giving, always asking people, no, they feel bad to ask. Asking person always, please give this much money to my trust, give this much money to my orphanage I am running, give this much money to my old age home I am running. They are all with very bad condition, need only they will ask. அது கேட்கறதுக்கே மனசு ஒரு மாதிரி இருக்கும் பாப்பா அவங்களுக்கு. அப்படி இருக்கும்போது நம்ம என்ன பண்ணணும்னா, அவங்களுக்கு தைரியம் சொல்லி, எனக்கு ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம், யூ ஹவ் ஆஸ்க்டு மீ அண்ட் ஐ எம் வெரி ஹாப்பி தட் யூ ஹவ் கிவன் மீ ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டி சொல்லி 10 வாட்டி சொல்லி கொடுக்கணும். அப்படியா பார்க்குறேன் அப்படி சொன்னால் என்ன இருக்கும்? எதுக்கு வச்சுட்டாமா இந்த ஓல்டேஜ் ஹோமு, எதுக்கு வச்சுட்டாமா இந்த ட்ரஸ்டட் ஃபீலிங் வரக்கூடாது. அதான் வித் கண்டெம்ட் என்ன மீன்ஸ் தட் பர்சன் ஷுட் நாட் ஃபீல் ஷேம். And the asking person, he should feel that he is doing such a great service. See, many people are there to offer to me. Very, what people, that heart, the type of heart, no? Giving, நிறைய கொடுக்கறதுக்காக மனசு இருக்கணும். ஜெனரஸ், இஸ் வெரி வெரி ஜெனரஸ் ஹார்ட். அந்த ஜெனரஸ் ஹார்ட் இருக்குன்னு அவனுக்கு தோணணும். அதனால கேட்கும்போது 10 வாட்டி யோசிச்சு தான் கேட்பான். இவன் கொடுப்பவனா இல்லையா, எதுக்காக இவன் கிட்ட போய் மாட்டிக்கணும்னு சொல்லி சம் பீப்புள் தே டோன்ட் ஆஸ்க். அந்த மாதிரி ஒரு பாவனை அந்த பர்சனுக்கு கொடுக்கக்கூடாது. நம்ம கொடுக்கும்போது வித் கண்டெம்ட் இஃப் யூ கிவ், தட் பர்சன் ஃபீல் ஷேம், தட் மீன்ஸ் தட் இஸ் தாமசிக தானம் அர்த்தம். தாமசிக தானம். To feel ashamed, making a person to feel ashamed and giving தானம். கொடுக்குறான், ஆனால் இதெல்லாம் பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறம் கொடுக்குறான், அது தாமச தானம். அதர் பர்சன், த பர்சன் ஹூ இஸ் ஆஸ்கிங் ஆர் ஹூ இஸ் ரிசீவிங், தட் பர்சன் ஷுட் நாட் ஃபீல் எனி ஷேம் டு ஆஸ்க். So that's why we have to encourage that person. Not only me, I'll give from some other people also anu சொல்லணும். இன்னும் 2-3 people I'll ask and I will give for you anu சொல்லணும். அப்போ எவ்வளோ சந்தோஷமாக இருக்கும். அப்படி சொல்லாமண்ணா இதுக்கா யாரும் கொடுக்கவே மாட்டான், ஆனால் நான் கொடுப்பேன், என்னென்ன 10 ரூபா தரேன்னா, இந்த மாதிரி சொல்லல கொடுக்கக்கூடாது. டிசப்பாயிண்டிங் த பர்சன், why you have undertaken all these things, who will give money, no? Sometimes whenever we want to start something, there are people who disappoint first. இதை நடக்கவே நடக்காது, இந்த விஷயம் நடக்கவே நடக்காதுன்னு சொல்லுவான். Some people, even though it is tough to take that adventurous task, they encourage. That is a positive way of thinking people. When you are starting something, you need money naturally. You need some charity from some people. Otherwise, you cannot spend your own pocket money for all the things. That is not sufficient. Therefore, we have to encourage that person and give. We should not look down upon the person. If we look down upon the person and giving, is tamasika danam. All these called adesha kala danam, apatrebhya danam, asatkrita danam and avagnatam. Idella vidhi nishedha theriyamale, shastra paddhati theriyamale. If anybody gives, that danam is tamasika danam. That will not give any spiritual benefit, upliftment to that person. That danam will not give any benefit to that person. Very, very least benefit he gets. Next shloka we will read. Now Lord Krishna is concluding. Suppose any defect is there in my yajna, dana, tapas. Any defect, mistake is there. Suppose we are not able to do properly. Is there any defect? Suppose all that mistakes and defects can be superseded. They can be dissolved by just one type of utterance. That word utterance. Having finished that, and you utter one Om Tat Sat, all dosha will go away. எப்படி பகவானுக்கு we don't have vastram, suppose we don't have vetrapaka, எல்லாத்துக்கும் என்ன பண்ணுவேன்? அக்ஷதாம் சமர்ப்பயாமி, அக்ஷதாம் சமர்ப்பயாமின்னு சொல்கிறோம் இல்லையோ. For a person who is in need of 10,000 rupees for a old age home, suppose something, you cannot say அக்ஷதாம் சமர்ப்பயாமி என்ன இல்லையா. அங்கே அக்ஷதாம் முடியாது. இங்கே யஜ்ஞம் தானம் தபஸ் தெய்வ யஜ்ஞம்லாம் எல்லாம் அக்ஷதாம் ஓகே. But when you are doing service to humanity, akshatam samarpayami won't work there. Bhagavan no, keeping quiet. Silently he sits and takes whatever you give, anything. But all occasions it doesn't work. Therefore, அந்த தோஷம் வரக்கூடாது. Suppose you do rajasika yajna, tamasika yajna, or you give tamasa danam, rajasa danam, or any type of austerity, rajasa tapas and tamasika tapas, which are inferior, really speaking. But dosha should not come. Therefore, finally what you do, suppose unknowingly if you do, any time, this rajasika and tamasika danam, yajnam tapas, just you chant one name, word, Om Tat Sat. அப்போ அது பண்ண தோஷம் எல்லாம் போயிடும் சொல்கிறார் பகவான் லாஸ்டில். We should not take it granted. எல்லாம் தப்பு பண்ணி ஓம் தத் சத் ஓம் தத் சத் சொல்கிறேன்னா அதுக்கு தான் சொன்னேன். அக்ஷத்தை won't work all that time. வெரி வெரி எக்ஸெப்ஷனல் கேசஸில் இந்த மாதிரி அது சொல்கிறார் பகவான். Now 23 will read. ஓம் தத் சதிதி நிர்தேஷः ब्रह्मणस्त्रिविधः स्मृतः ब्राह्मणास्तेन वेदाश्च यज्ञाश्च विहिता पुरा. ओम तत् सत् इति निर्देशः. These are the three words. Om is one word, monosyllable, but comes under one word. Tat, one word. Sat, one word. These three words. Tribhihina. Trividhaha, Brahmanaha, Nirdeshaha. All these three, Om Tat Sat is Smritaha, is considered as what? A threefold designation. Trividaha Nirdeshaha. Nirdeshaha means expression which reveals. Nirdeshaha, Namadheyam. The meaning for expression of Brahman. Brahmanaha Nirdeshaha. This is to be the threefold designation. Nirdeshaha means Namadheyam or designation to whom? Brahmanaha, of Brahman. That Paramatma. Om represents that Paramatma, Brahman. Tat represents that Paramatma, Brahman. Sat represents that Paramatma, Brahman. Once you perform yajnam, danam or tapas, you say Om Tat Sat after finishing that. And that dosha will go away. Om Tat Sat. Om Tat Sat. Just like we say Krishna Arpanamastu, Shiva Arpanamastu. You are offering to the Lord. This is no more belong to me, it is yours. Like that you can say Om Tat Sat. After finishing any yajna, dana, tapah, karma, you can say Om Tat Sat. Tena, what is the significance of uttering this Om Tat Sat? Tena, by uttering this, Brahmaji, first he uttered Om. Brahmaji means Chaturmukha Brahma uttered this Om. By uttering this Omkara, he created the Brahmanas. Brahmanaha. Tena Brahmanaha. Brahmanaha means those people who follow Vedic injunctions. Kartaraha anartham. Veda yajna kartaraha. For the preservation of the universe, Brahmanaha means kartaraha. Kartaraha what? Yajna dana tapah karma kartaraha. Why they do that? To preserve the whole universe. To maintain the ecological balance. Those Brahmanas, Kartaraha, therefore, whatever you study from Shastra, you have to do Anushtanam. Implementation. Panchamaha Yajnas, Deva Yajna, Prithri Yajna, Rishi Yajna, Manushya Yajna, Atidhi Yajna, not to listen, not to write notes only. They are all meant for Achara, Anushtanam. By Anushtanam only I get spiritual upliftment. In big level or small level, somehow or other I have to do puja. Isn't it? Simple namaskara, it's also come under Deva Yajna. Ashtanga namaskara to the Lord comes under Deva Yajna. Whatever way, amount you do, but you do with Shraddha, that implementation is very, very important. So first learn, practice, preserve and propagate. Or practice, propagate and preserve. How you propagate? Not by keeping mic all the time. How we are propagating our culture? By doing Navaratri celebrations. How much pain you have taken putting Vammala Koluvu. Even though you are not attending that Koluvu and you have to go there. How much strain you are taking. This is called Anushtana. 9 days, not so easy. Those who are celebrating elaborately, they have to do so many varieties of things and they have to offer so many things. And those who are coming also from all the way, they have to come and they have to spend money for auto or bus or car, something they have to spend, they are coming. All this comes under Deva Yajna. 9 days, constantly you are doing Deva Yajna means it is a type of Yajna. So that Yajna, one you are practicing, it is called a propagation. By propagating this, what you are doing? Preservation. Practice, propagate and preserve. PPP. Okay. So this is the, who are they? Brahmana. Those people are called Brahmanaha, those who are the propagators, preservators of this culture. Brahmanas, and how they propagate Kartaraha, what is the base for them? Based on what? They take the means of Vedaha. These Vedas are also born from that Brahman only. From that Brahmaji only Vedas came. So Vedaha are the means, Karanani. So because Shastrana இப்படி சொல்லிருக்க இப்படி பண்ணு, அம்பாளுக்கு எத்தனை நாள் பூஜை பண்ணணும், எப்படி ஆவாகனம் பண்ணணும், எப்படி கலசம் வைக்கணும், எப்படி எடுக்கணும் எல்லாம் சொல்லிருக்காரு இல்லையா. Where, what is the means for you to know all these things? Karanam is what means in Veda. Shastram. Shastram is the pramanam. So Vedaha. Karanani means. Vedas are the means. And what they do, karmani, yajnaha. Puja, Agnihotram, Vratams, all these come under Yajna. So, Brahmanaha, Vedaha, Yajnaha. Brahmanaha are those people, Kartaraha. Brahmanas are supposed to live only in that. They are all doing this Vratam, Puja and all, Homam, Yajnam, Yagam, for whose sake? For whole humanity's sake. For rain, to get rain, and for prosperity, to get food, grains and all, they are doing lot of puja. This Abhishekam and all, for whose sake? A Brahmana does a ritual not for his sake, for the sake of whole society. Other Varnas also should survive, prosper and happily for their sake. On behalf of them, this Brahmana should do puja. ஒரு கோயில் இருந்ததுன்னா பூஜை பிரிஸ்ட் பண்றாருன்னா பூஜை, அந்த கோயில் எல்லாம் எதுக்காக? அந்த கிராமத்துக்காக. அந்த கிராமத்தில் இருக்கிற பிரஜெல்லாம் ஆனந்தமா சௌக்கியமா இருக்கிறதுக்காக அவங்க பேரு மேல இந்த பிரீஸ்ட் உட்கார்ந்து இங்க பூஜை பண்ணணும். And the farmer cannot come and do puja for his sake. A ruler, panchayati, sarpanchi or president or secretary cannot come and do puja here. On behalf of them, this person does. And those people take care of this priest, his food, livelihood, survival, the food and all they provide. Security they provide. Administration, food, agriculture, other varnas are taking. And they are taking care of this priest. This priest has to take care of them. This is wonderfully designed. Where is problem of caste system? Caste system problem is actually. Caste system comes when you are not understanding it properly. Anala Brahmanaha, Kartaraha, for the sake of rain, to get rain and to get grains and to these diseases and all should not come. No? There is a chicken pox, smallpox, when they are all coming, no? They do lot of mantra japa shantikaha, and the climate shantikaha mantra japa ella panduva. So for that society's sake they are doing. So this is what understanding between each caste. They have to understand, respect mutually. All duties only one person cannot do. Same Brahmana cannot go to field. Same Brahmana cannot take care of his security, no, administration and all. So each one has to depend on other. The Brahmanaha, Kartaraha take the means of Veda and performs Yajna. Brahmanaha, Vedaha, Yajnaha, they were all Vihitaha Pura, created by Brahmaji long ago, in the beginning of the creation, created by the Brahmaji alone. Who is that Brahmaji? Created by that Brahman. That Brahmanaha Trividaha Nirdeshaha. So, Om Tat Sat, by saying this word only, Brahmaji created the whole universe. This Om, we can look at it in phonetic angle. If you see, A, U, is called Omkara. A, U, put together. And you put these letters together, letters become words. And words will become sentences later. Om iti. In Taittiriya Upanishad, we saw in many places that how Omkara is so significant. So that Omkara, he is going to talk in the 24th sloka about Omkara. and 25th shloka is going to talk about Tat, and 26th shloka is going to talk about Sat. This is overall Om Tat Sat. Then every chapter end, we are getting Om Tat Sat. We have chanted wrong, no? Some mistakes are there in our pronunciation and all. Many times might have slept also. Therefore, all doshams should go away. Om Tat Sat iti nirdeshaha. That way we can chant. And signs of derivation also. That meaning, Om. Now in this shloka, Lord Krishna says, we will read that shloka about the Omkara. The traditional significance he gives here. Tasmat omityudahritya yajnadana tapah kriyah pravartante vidhanoktaah satatam brahmavadinam. In short, we can say to convert tamasika yajnadana tapah karma into sattvic karma, chant Om Tat Sat. To convert the rajasic, tamasic, yajnadana tapah karma into sattvic, just you chant Om Tat Sat. Other short way of understanding. Now here Lord Krishna says why we have to utter in the beginning and end also we utter. In the beginning why we have to utter Om? In Veda also they say yajnas, yagas, when they are starting homas and all, they say first Om. Like hello, phone when you take. This hello meaning is what I do not know till today. We say just like that, hello. That Graham Bell, who discovered this phone first time, he said hello. Hello, 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 he said. From that time onwards, this hello, hello, hello coming. We do not know why we are saying, nobody knows. So therefore some students say Hari Om or Om. But hello, we don't say it is wrong, but I don't know why, what do you mean by hello? That for these people, hello eppadiyo, Vedic hello is called Om. Okay. Vedic lifestyle people ki hello means Om and artham. And an acceptance, showing an acceptance. Can I do this? Om. Om anna? Okay, pannu and artham. A sign of acceptance. Om means a sign of acceptance. Pannu, continue. And that is called Omkara. Tasmat. Tasmat means therefore, since this Om Tat Sat, one has to utter before this any yajna, dana, tapah, karma or end of that karma. Both the times if you say well and good, because of this reason, what they say for those who are well read in Vedas, Brahmavadinam, yajnadana tapakriyaha vidhanoktaha pravartante satatam. Since it is said in Shastra, one should utter Om Tat Sat, therefore this Brahmavadinam means well learned scholarly people, always they say Om Tat Sat. Om Tat Sat. எப்படி பிளஸ்ஸிங் பண்ணும்போது கூட ஓம் தத் சத்ன்னு சொல்லுவான். முடிக்கும் போது ஓம் தத் சத், ஹரி ஓம் தத் சத்ன்னு சொல்லுவான். அது வெரி வெரி highly significant word. Who are well learned in Shastra, they know when to utter, where to utter, why we have to utter that also, they know that meaning. Okay. இப்போ otherwise how you wish the people, hi. Hi, how it comes in hi, அது நேச்சுரலாக வந்துட்டு இருக்கு. இப்போ எப்படி வருதுன்னா தட் இஸ் சோஷியல் வாட் கால் சோஷியல் மேனர்ஸ். த மேனர்ஸ் இது நமக்கு இந்த மாடர்ன் சோஷியல் மேனர்ஸ் எப்படி தெரியறதோ இதெல்லாம் வேதிக் லைஃப் ஸ்டைல் மேனர்ஸ். ஹூ எவர் நோஸ், ஃபார் தெம் தட் இஸ் வெரி வெரி வெல் நோன் ஃபார் தெம். வாட் தே டூ? பிரம்மவாதினாம் Veda, Brahma means here Veda anartham. Followers of Vedic tradition. Brahmavadina manna, not talking, arguing about Brahman. Brahmavadi, Vadi anna argumentator. Brahma means Brahman. The one who argues about Brahman. Appadi irukakudadu. Brahmavadi means Veda Vadarataha. Veda Vadarataha, the one who follows anartha here. One word சொல்லணும்னா வைதிகாக அர்த்தம். வைதிக நான் வைதிகான்னு சொல்றதுக்கு பெருமைப்படணும். People are looking down. எதுக்காக I am born as a Brahmin, why I am born as a Dikshitar, and they are looking down upon themselves because all seats are reserved for BC, no? So, but that's why they are all really worrying. If he won't give seat, adhikaha I have to look down upon my varna. So, on the other hand, I should make the people to recognize the greatness of that Brahmanas, Brahma Tejas. The Brahma Tejas, the brilliance, they should understand in such a way I have to live my lifestyle. That person should not make me to look down upon my varna. That means he is not great. I am inferior, really speaking. My mind is so weak and weak and weak. I look down upon myself. Instead of showing my Brahma Tejas, instead of showing my knowledge, instead of showing my greatness of this varna, I am in reverse, I am looking down upon myself. So, Brahma Tejas is very, very important in the society. Highly intelligent people are called Brahmanas. Not Jati Brahmana I am talking. A person who is well disciplined, follows values, that person is called Brahmana. Real Brahmana. Okay, those people must be noble people they must be protected. A good heart, generous heart people, really those who are always giving importance to values, they are all real Brahmanas, they must be protected. So therefore those Brahmanas, Brahmavadinam, Yajnadana Tapakriyaha, these activities in the form of Yajna, charities, Dana, Tapas, austerities and sacrifices, any Yajnas, anything they do, Vidhanoktaha, which are mentioned by the scriptural injunctions. Vidhi, Vidhana, Uktaha means said. Injunctions means mentioned in the Shastra. Take place. Pravartante satatam. Pravartante means they begin with. They begin with Om. Udahritam. Ucharanam kritam. After the utterance of Om only, they take up any activity. That's Shuklam Bharadaram edukku solrom nama? That is called traditional paddhati. First you have to, and the Pillayarku solli da edhu pannum. Pillayar solli edhu solluva illaya? Adi pannanum first. What is it? That is a tradition. Similarly, Om is also a traditional form of sign, indicator. They chant. Now next shloka is talking about Tat. Satatam, these people, well learned people, use this Omkara before they starting any Yajnam, Danam, Tapas. And the end of that also they utter this Omkara. So Omkara, about that I have given so many explanation in previous classes. Again one more word I will remind you. Om means avati is the derived meaning. Avadhatu. Science of derivation, if you take derived meaning, av means not avulu. Okay. Av means to protect. Mam ava. Mam ava. Mam ava to see Sri Saraswati. Oh Mother Saraswati, you protect me. Mam ava to Sri Saraswati. Mama, mama ani கூப்பிடக்கூடாது. Mam ava to Sri Saraswati. என்ன Mam me, us anartha. You please protect us. Mam avatu. Mam avatu ஸ்ரீ சரஸ்வதி. இஃப் யூ டோன்ட் ஸ்பிளிட் ப்ராப்பர்லி, மாமா எங்கேயோ இருக்கும், அவத்து எங்கேயோ போயிடும். இங்கே மாமா எங்கே வந்துட்டார் இந்த கீர்த்தன்லோன்னு கேட்கக்கூடாது. ஓகே, அதனால சரியா மீனிங் தெரியலன்னா மாமா எங்கேயோ இருப்பான். மாம் அவத்து, மாம் அவத்து. This is one meaning, protect and a meaning. Then scriptural significance is by churning this Omkara alone, Gayatri mantra, from Gayatri mantra Vyahriti came. Brahmaji churned Vedas. From those Vedas, what came? Gayatri mantra came. Tatsa vitravarenyam bhargo devasya dhimahi dhiyo yonah prachodayat. And it is very long to practice. We have to go to office on Vijayadashmi day also. And Saraswati Puja day also they call. Where is the time to chant Tatsa vitravarenyam? அப்போ என்ன பண்ணணும்னா பிரம்மாஜி திருப்பி சரண் பண்ணிட்டார். அப்புறம் வியாகிருதி கேம். பூஹு புவஹ சுவஹ, ஓம் பூஹு ஓம் புவஹ ஓம் சுவஹன்னு சொல்லி மூடு. அந்த கூட டைம் இல்லைன்னா இன்னும் பிஸினோ என்ன பண்ணுறது, இன்னும் சேர்ன் பண்ணால் அந்த எசன்ஸ் ஆஃப் த பூஹு புவஹ சுவஹ கேம் இன் ஃபார்ம் ஆஃப் ஓம்காரா. யூ சே ஓம், சாண்ட் ஓம்காரா எவ்ரிடே ஃபியூ மினிட்ஸ்ன்னு சொன்னால் அதுக்கு டைம் இல்லைன்னு சொன்னேன். சாஸ்திரம் என்ன பண்ணுறது, போயிட்டு வா, இங்கே வீடு இங்கே ஒன்றும் பண்ண முடியாது, ஓம் லெட்டர்னு ஒன்றும் பண்ண முடியாதப்பா, ஃபர்தர் ஐ கேனாட், எந்த பண்ணாலும் உனக்கு டைம் இல்லைன்னு சொல்லிகிட்டே இருப்பேன். அதனால உங்கள் கிரீடுக்கு எண்டே கிடையாது. தேர்ஃபோர் ஐ டோன்ட் வாண்ட் கிவ் ஃபர்தர் மார்ஜின் டு யூ, ஜஸ்ட் ஆல் த பெஸ்ட், நெக்ஸ்ட் பர்த் போயிட்டு வா அப்படின்னு சொல்லணும் சாஸ்திரா. என்ன பண்ணுறது, ஓம் ஓம் ஓம், அந்த அட்டரன்ஸே வெரி வெரி யூனிக். இதெல்லாம் பாரோ பண்ணுதான் அதர் ரிலிஜியன்ஸ் சொல்லுது. ஆமன், அது இன் முஸ்லிம்ஸ் ஆல்சோ என்ன சொல்லுவோம், அல்லாஹ் அக்பர், அது பெரிய லாங்கு, சலாம் அலைக்கும்ல, ஆமீன், ஆமாம் அதுதான் ஆமீன், ஆமீன் ஆமீன், அதெல்லாம் எங்கேருந்து பாரோ பண்ணான்னு ஓங்காரத்துலேருந்து தான் வருது. இன்னும் நல்ல ஃபன்னு சொல்லிட்டேன்னா என்ன, குழந்தைக்கு அம்மா அம்மானு வருது கூட ஓம்காரத்துலேருந்து தான். ஆ காட்டுன்னு சொல்லி அம்மா வாயில் ஃபுட்டு வச்சுருந்ததுக்கப்புறம் உம்மு சொல்லுன்னு உம்முன்னு சொல்லுவாள். அம்மா 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 வரும். அதனால் ஓங்காரம் தான் ஃபஸ்ட்டு லெட்டர். ஆக்சுவல் all languages are hidden in that Omkara only. That's why even in temples you see anywhere any god that Omkaram உருவம் அது சொல்லுவாள். ஓங்காரமே உருவம். இந்த ரூபம் கேம் அவுட் ஆஃப் ஓங்கார. எவ்ரி மந்த்ரா யூஸ் ஸ்டார்ட் வித் ஓம். ஓம் கூட ஸ்டார்ட் ஆகும். ஓம் ஸ்ரீ சரஸ்வதியை நமஹ, ஓம் ஸ்ரீ மகாலட்சுமி நமஹ. ஓம் சொல்லாமலே நோ வேல்யூன்னு. So the Om represents, that symbol represents Nirguna Brahman. These names are all represents only Saguna Brahman. These are all explanations given in Shastra, Upanishad, then Chandogya Upanishad, Taittiriya Upanishad, and many places Omkara is very very significant. Omkara dhyaname irukku. Omkara dhyana, if you do this dhyanam with nishkamataya, what is the phalam? Lord Krishna says in 25th shloka, tadityanabhisandhaya phalam yajnatapakriyaha danakriyascha vividhaha क्रियन्ते मोक्षकाङ्क्षिभिः. मोक्षकाङ्क्षिभिः क्रियन्ते. मोक्षकाङ्क्षिभिः विविधाः यज्ञतपः क्रियाः क्रियन्ते. Moksha-kankshi means desirer of moksha. The one who desire to get liberation. Like you people, I hope you are all moksha-kankshis. நான் சொல்லிட்டு வச்சுன்னு இருக்கேன், இங்க இஷ்டம். I have given the title to you all, you are moksha-kankshis, the desirers of moksha. Desirers of moksha means what? desirers of freedom from sorrow. இல்லையோ? மோக்ஷான்னா ஞாபகம் இருக்க மாதிரி திருப்பி சொல்லணுமா? மோக்ஷான்னா I desire to be free from sorrow. That is called moksha. Freedom from sorrow is called moksha. If I desire for freedom from sorrow, it is called moksha kanksha. So, moktum ichuhu mumukshuhu. So, moksha kanksha, they are having, those people are called moksha kankshibhihi. By those people who are the desirers of moksha. Moksha kankshibhihi, those desirers of moksha, they do what? Yajna tapah kriyaha, yajna dana kriyascha. So first line la irukku yajnam, tapaha, austerity, and dana kriya, all come under kriya only, activities. How they do? Phalam anabhisandhaya vividhaha kriyaha. Vividhaha means so many rituals, one or two. So many umpteen rituals. How many people are there? How many types of worships are there? How many gods are there? I heard one Mariyamman anna, adage Mariyamman eppadi vandadu and பேருன்னு சொல்லி there is a Varalarna, they are giving a description about that Renuka Devi, and that when Parasurama cut her head, and once again they want to join head over head again join to another body join to another head, ஏதோ ஐ மாறி போயிடுச்சா. அந்த அம்மாவுக்கு மாரியம்மன்னு பேர் வச்சுட்டான். இதில் நமக்கு வரலாறு தெரியாது. அங்கே போய் ஒரு தேங்காய் ஒடிச்சிட்டு வந்துடுவோம், அவ்வளோதான். என்ன சீக்கிரம் போகணும், எல்லாமே ஃபாஸ்ட் நோ லைஃப் கூட. அதனால ஒரு டெம்பிளுக்கு போய் ஒரு ஸ்கல்ப்டர் கூட நமக்கு ஆழமாக பார்க்கறதுக்கு டைமே கிடையாது. அந்த மாரியம்மன் எப்போ ஒரு கோயிலுக்கு போனால் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் நமக்கு தெரிஞ்சுக்கணும், இது என்னுடைய கோயிலுடைய வரலாறு என்ன, எப்படி வந்தது இந்த பேர், என்னென்ன வழிபாட்டு இருக்கு இங்கே இந்த கோயிலில். வாட் தே டு, யூ கோ அண்ட் ஆஸ்க் இன் தட் வில்லேஜ், தே நோ ஹோல் திங். வித் தட் கான்செப்ட் தே கோ அண்ட் வர்ஷிப். அண்ட் யூ சி ரியல் திங், ஃபேசினேட்டிங் திங் என்னென்னா, வாட் எவர் தே விஷ் இட் வில் ஹேப்பன்ஸ். ஆனால் அவ்வளோ நம்பிக்கை அவளுக்கு போய் அந்த கோயில் பார்க்கறதுக்கு ஒன்றும் கிடையாது. அந்த கோயில் நிஜமா நாட் லைக் அவர் பிக் டெம்பிள்ஸ் ஆல்சோ, பட் யூ see that power of that devata because of their faith, and the power increases in that temple because of that bhaktas. That's why faith does tremendous tremendous change it brings. Shraddha irundha podum. That's why somebody says, if you have really faith, you can change your lines in the hand also ன்னு சொல்லுவா. அந்த அளவுக்கு மனசுக்கு அந்த அளவுக்கு திறமை இருக்கு, நம்ம சக்தி இருக்கு. So once you have that tapas shakti and all, how they do na anabhisandhaya, phalam anabhisandhaya, without expecting any worldly results. That desirers of moksha, they do. But Devi Navaratri பண்ணிட்டோம். எதுக்கு பண்ணோம்னா, many of you might have kept that kulu, puja and everything you did. What for? You don't have any special prayers. No? What is your special prayer? Na gnana vairagya siddhyartham. ஞானம் வரணும், வைராகியம் வேணும், எனக்கு மோட்சம் வேணும். அதானே கேட்டேன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். அப்படி கேட்டதுன்னா அது நிஷ்காம கர்மான்னு அர்த்தம். அதுதான் கர்ம யோகம்னா. கர்மான்னா என்ன? ஆக்ஷன். யோகம்னா ஆட்டிடியூட். an attitude that is very important in that karma, nishkamataya, அந்த பாவனையோட, எதிர்பார்ப்பு இல்லாமலே, மெட்டீரியலிஸ்டிக் பெனிஃபிட்ஸுக்காக இல்லாமலே, ஸ்பெஷல் ப்ரேயர்ஸ் இல்லாமலே, ஐ டோன்ட் வாண்ட் எனி திங், சித்தசுத்தி, வைராகிய பிராப்தி, விவேகம், வைராகியம், சாதன சதுஷ்டய சம்பத்தி குடமா, அது போதும். ஏன்னா அது வந்தால் எல்லாமே வந்துடும். In the secret, people do not know. Who knows? This desirers of moksha knows this secret. They know and they use that. So therefore, anabhisandhaya means without expecting any worldly results. Without expecting any worldly results. Only for antakarana shuddhi, they worship the Lord, do yajna, tapah, karma, all of them, vividhaha kriyaha they do. Tat iti, saying that tat, after uttering tat only they do. Ishwararpanamastu, Shivarpanamastu, it should go to that Bhagavan. Tat means what? Actually it's a pronoun. Idamastu sannikrishtam, அது ஒரு ஸ்லோகமே இருக்க, கிராமர்ல ஸ்லோகம். தத் மீன்ஸ் தட். தட் மீன்ஸ் வாட்? வாட் எவர் ஐ நோ இஸ் திஸ். வாட் ஐ டு நாட் நோ இஸ் தட். வாட் ஐ டு நாட் நோ பரமாத்மா. தேர்ஃபார் பரமாத்மா இஸ் கால்ட் வாட்? தட். நமக்கு உலகம்ல தெரியறதெல்லாம் திஸ், அயம், திஸ் திஸ் திஸ். தெரியாதது மட்டும் ஒண்ணுதான் இருக்க மெயின், அது பரமாத்மா பிரம்மன். தட் இஸ் கால்ட் தத். அதுக்கு தான் தட்டுன்னு சாஸ்திரம்ல ஏதத்து தத்து. ஏதத்துக்கு என்ன? சமீபம். தத்து என்ன? தூரம். அதுக்கு ஒரு ஸ்லோகமே இருக்கு. அந்த ஸ்லோகம் என்னன்னா, இதமஸ்து சன்னிகிருஷ்டம். சன்னிகிருஷ்டம்னா நியரா இருக்கிறதுக்கு எல்லாமே இதம் 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 ஒன்னது சப்தம். இதமஸ்து சன்னிகிருஷ்டம் சமீபதரவர்த்தி ஏதத்து ரூபம். இதம்னா இங்க இருக்கு, இப்போ இங்க இருக்கு, அது இதம். சமீபதரம்னா ஏதத்துன்னு, அதை விட இது இன்னும் கிட்ட இருக்கு இல்லையோ, சமீபதரவர்த்தி ஏதத்து ரூபம். ஸோ இதம் ஏதத்து ரெண்டும் ஆச்சு. அதசஸ்து விப்ரகிருஷ்டம். அதசஸ்னு கொஞ்சம் ஃபாரா இருக்கிறது, அதஸ் சப்தம். அதசஸ்து விப்ரகிருஷ்டம் தத் இது பரோக்ஷே இது. ஒன் திங் இஸ் வெரி ஃபார், இட் இஸ் தேர், பட் ஐ கேன் see it. அதசஸ்து, அதஸ் சப்தா, that little bit far, but I can see it. But tat is that which is tat iti parokshe vijanihi. Parokshanana aksham parahana, which is beyond my perception. That is what? Paramatma. Therefore, whenever you are starting anything, say tat. Tat nu sonna enna? Paramatma. Even a simple pronoun, but you are remembering that Lord. Tat is that Lord. Om over, tat over, tat over. Sat is there. Sat, that about that we'll see in the next class. Just we'll read that shloka. Sadbhave sadhu bhave cha, sadityetat prayuchyate, प्रशस्ते कर्मणि तथा सच्छब्दः पार्थ युज्यते. This Sat is representing Brahman again. Om separately we saw, Tat is also over, and Sat is in Chandogya. There is one chapter specifically for Sadvidya anu prakaraname. சத்துக்கு பிரம்மனுக்கு பேரு சத், பிரம்மனுக்கு பேரு தத், பிரம்மனுக்கு பேரு ஓம். எது ஒன்று சொன்னாலும் பிரம்மன். ஒன்று சொன்னாலே பிரம்மன் என்ன, மூடு சொன்னா எவ்வளவு பவர்ஃபுல் என்ன. Therefore say all the time Om Tat Sat, Om Tat Sat, Om Tat Sat. Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.